Welcome to an episode of Brew Talk Thursdays. Now, this is a Thursday, we've got a brew, it's bonfire night, and tonight I'm going to light some fires in the office because it's national lockdown and I'm bored. I'm only messing. I don't know where that come from. Today, I thought I'd talk to you all about what it's like working with Master Sri AKARSHANA and how we manifested being able to work with him. Now, the whole story is absolutely, completely mad, and it's not like we've just been gifted this opportunity by chance. And for those of you who do not know who Master Sri AKARSHANA is, he's basically a businessman, an entrepreneur, and also like this sort of spiritual guru guy as well. And he basically is a life coach to people. He teaches people how to turn their life around in every aspect, and he's definitely helped with mine and my dad's life. So I thought I'd talk about how we went from watching his YouTube videos a year and a half ago, inspired by his business and everything like that, to working with him. So let's get into the show reel. Okay, so I thought today we're only going to do a quick video and just talk about how I met Master Sri AKARSHANA, how we all basically met each other. And let's start from, so you see that we've met Master Sri AKARSHANA now and how we've got to work with him. And it wasn't all like that, basically. We didn't just start out, we knew, and we didn't just know him and by chance we met, you know what I mean? It weren't anything like that. We were actually in a very unfortunate position, basically. To put it in the short, and we'll be talking more about this, me and my dad, soon and more from the channel. So if you want to subscribe to the channel to learn how to make money online, how we've actually been able to keep the business afloat and everything during this coronavirus lockdown and all of this, and how to overcome so many challenges, then please subscribe and like this video for the story we're about to tell you, because it is a bit like emotional, really, for what we've been through. I'm not trying to play like this victim card because we are very, very blessed and very thankful. I'm just saying that it wasn't all roses. And that's one thing as well. If you're going to be going through this business journey or going through a journey of life, it's not going to always be roses, or not going to always just be happiness and everything like that, because sometimes it can be challenging. It definitely can be. And I'm going to talk about how, for us, it became challenging. So we sold a website, and that website basically was giving us a load of income in. Then we lost loads of money on different deals, and other websites that we had were not selling as well. But they weren't producing the high turnover rate. And then my dad had loads of staff and had to let them go. I was the only one left, took a pay cut and everything just to make sure to help my dad and everything. We went through quite a lot of trouble, basically. And we basically turned the business around from building websites for the gambling industry to making websites for literally anyone else. Like we were making, because my dad was good at website design, search engine optimization, and Facebook ads and everything else like that. Then we thought, all right, okay, let's look at doing that for other people. So we started doing that, but obviously we weren't getting as many clients in as at the time because we didn't know how to. And then we started doing e-commerce as well, which was a big breadwinner for us. And we bought this e-commerce site and just ran with it, basically. Made a lot of money from this dropshipping site, and that's why we thought we could teach dropshipping and everything like that. So we started our own dropshipping stores and teaching people dropshipping. I've also made e-commerce websites for loads of people now, but it weren't always like that. We couldn't find a client, and there's so many other stuff as well. And yeah, it was a bit shit to put it the least. But from that, we've learned how to find it. So because we had all them challenges, it basically pushed us to find someone who could teach us better about business and teach us a lot more and just sort of see what we were capable of. And that's when we decided, basically before the coronavirus lockdown was everywhere else in the world, we was affected by it first because it hit China. And basically all of our products were coming out of China at the time for our dropshipping business. Now all the products were coming out of China, all the lockdown happened, and then it was long shipping times for everywhere else, and it was actually taking 2 to 3 months, even possibly a lot more, literally just to get our products to someone. And because we had certain policies and everything like that, we had to refund a lot of the orders that we went through. We scaled our ads, so if you know about dropshipping and everything, we scaled our ads literally a couple of weeks before that lockdown hit. So the sales were at a high point. Thankfully not its highest point, but a high amount. We were getting a high amount of sales every day, and the customer support just went and got too much. Just definitely because we were having emails every day from people saying, I've not had my order yet, I've not had my order, and we had to just refund most of the orders to people because it went against our policies, and you couldn't really tell that it was coming. So when that all happened, we decided to go meet Master Sri Akashna because we've seen a Facebook ad for Manifesting Miracles, which is one of his events, and we literally went just to manifest a miracle because we didn't know what else to do, didn't have as many clients, there was just loads backed up against us. So the pressure was on, so we went there. Now, if the pressure wasn't on, I don't think we would have been likely to go there as much and to do as much, if that makes sense. But yeah, we went there, we met someone called Jabaria who works with Master Sri Akashna, has made him over $1 million from ClickFunnels on online marketing, and is quite inspiring in that sense. So we thought, we met with her and started a course up with her. Now at the time, money wasn't the best at all. And it was a gamble really to go in with this course, but because we sort of trusted who Master was and who his team were, we sort of trusted that, okay, this can make us money. Now, the skills that we've learned from those courses that we've done, so we've done one, and then because we made a lot of money, we basically made a decent amount of money, we reinvested that into the business, into like courses and stuff like that. So yeah, because we were doing well within these courses, that is the reason why we met Master Sri Akashna. So it's all good. And from these courses, basically, not just from the courses, obviously, you've got to put in the work yourself, but they taught us techniques from these courses that we probably wouldn't have even thought what we thought, especially for finding clients, finding really good clients, and finding the right prices to not undercut yourself to clients as well. And basically, because we did all that, we met Master Sri Akashna. Basically, he invited us down. He wants to work with us on a drop shipping product, basically, where we'll be teaching people from who all of his followers, that we'll be teaching them drop shipping, and we're sort of making a partnership deal with him. I don't know fuck it, we can announce it. I'm not bothered. But yeah, so yeah, we got into that deal with him, which I'm so thankful for. But let me just sort of tell you what went down when we went to meet him. So yeah, we went down to help with Jabari's event, Freedom Lifestyle Accelerator, at the I Am Creator headquarters in Lincoln, and it was a whole live Zoom event. And honestly, it really changed my outlook on everything, because we helped out so many people on that Zoom call just from teaching business tactics and everything like that. And it realised it really resonates with me just to help as many people as possible. And I'm thankful that I'm able to do that, and I'm just going to keep on continuing to do this, basically. But let me just tell you about how Master Sri Akashna was and everything. He is such a down-to-earth person, like very, very down to earth. And you see some YouTube videos where people are sort of calling him out for losing money on the courses or whatever they've done, and you just realise that those people, I'm not calling those people at all, I'm not calling these people, but you just realise something didn't really go right for them people. It weren't really Master Sri Akashna's fault, in my opinion, because when I was talking to him, you could tell he was a very genuine guy, and he wanted to help as many people as possible. Not only has he helped us, he's helped so many other people, hundreds, thousands of people, that it just goes to show that he's really helping as much as possible. And we had a good dinner with him. We sort of talked about our story and sort of talked about where we come from, and the fact that this guy's a millionaire. So I've met millionaires in the past, but he was very down to earth. And you see obviously that he's got he got flashy stuff, so he shows he's wealthy and abundant. But it's not like he's going, oh, look at me, look at this, look at that, look at this, look at that. And he's a very humble person. You can see that he's come from nothing. And just the way he was helping us out through so much really just resonated with me, like literally just really did. And the fact that we've been able to work with him now is amazing. I was going to make, this is sort of just to sort of talk about what happened, and it's basically just a sort of short video, but I was going to make another video. I realised I can't make it for reasons we won't talk about, but yeah, I was going to make another video and I just couldn't make that video. So I thought today we'll just talk about how the experience was with meeting Master Tree AKARSHANA and this whole team, and what it inspired us to do. So now I thought, you know what, I'll tell you what it's inspired us to do. So find a link in the description below, and you'll basically see a free webinar training that's going to be happening on Thursday, the 12th of November. There will be limited replays as well, so if you go check the link down in the description below, you'll be able to see that you can also join it yourself. So basically what this webinar is we're going to be teaching you how you can basically start your own business online without knowing any coding experience, anything. You can start up your own website, and we'll teach you how to earn money without even packaging products, without even doing anything else. We'll teach you everything from this free webinar. And it's happening on Thursday, the 12th of November at 7 p.m. Completely free. We're also giving away a very limited time deal. So I recommend that you actually go check it on the day that it's live, because of the fact there's very limited replays. I know that for a fact. But after it's live, this very exclusive offer, which I'm not going to talk about today because that just ruins the surprise. This very exclusive offer, which is basically us helping as many people as possible that are going through this lockdown. It's basically us giving out so much value to help you as much as possible, to help you make money into your business as much as possible. So go check it out. It's very limited, this offer, and limited to literally, I'd say about 5 people. Maybe some more depending on how many people get into the webinar. So I recommend going to check it out, just watching it live, because trust me, you're going to watch it. You're going to watch it anyway. So it's inspired us to help as many people as possible. And I just feel so thankful that I can do so. Check the link in the description below. Sign up right now. Won't take you long. And we'll see you at 12th November at 7 p.m. UK time. Thank you all for watching. Leave a like, comment if you'd like to know more about e-commerce and making money online, and I'll see you later.